Thanks for clicking on the Weather Blender blog. It is Tuesday, March 30th. Hello, everybody. Jason Parrish in the Storm Tracker 12 Weather Lab. Well, the warm-up is really going to kick in tomorrow. In fact, you should see some of this computer model data. It is ridiculous as we head into Friday and Saturday as far as temperatures. And we'll talk a little bit more about that coming up in just a few minutes. Tonight's forecast, clear and cool. We'll have lows overnight, generally in the 30s. Now, as I said, the warm air really gets in here tomorrow as winds turn to the west and southwest. We'll have highs in the mid to upper 60s with mostly sunny skies. Okay, time to dive into the computer model data. So after a dry Wednesday, you can see on our GFS model, this is 48 hours away, or 12Z on Thursday. And we're looking at, once again, a dry weather. You can see high pressure still well in control of the eastern U.S. If you've been following some of the national weather news, you know that they've been dealing with a lot of flooding across New England, parts of the Northeast over the last few days. But you can see by Thursday morning, most of that precipitation is gone even from there. So looking at a good-looking Thursday here in north central West Virginia. Now I'm going to jump ahead to Saturday morning. And you can still see that the weather is fine. High pressure slowly drifting off the East Coast. We'll have temperatures be very mild on Saturday. Now back to the west, we do have a cold front. You can see it with scattered showers all the way from the UP of Michigan down to eastern Texas. So that's something we're going to have to watch for Sunday. But first, look at the temperatures for 12Z Saturday on the GFS. And look at that mild air, a strong south wind with that clockwise flow around high pressure. So a good south wind. And this is in the morning, and we're already looking at temperatures well above the 50 to 60 degree range, and expecting highs to get close to 80 on Saturday. Now back behind the front, we've got some cooler air in place. You can see with the lighter blues there across the plains, that's that cold front that will be heading in on Sunday. Now speaking of that, here's a GFS on Sunday morning, and look how the system pretty much falls apart as it runs into the high pressure. So there is a threat of a shower on Sunday. And actually, this solution is pretty similar on some of the other computer models, including the Canadian. So it looks like on Easter Sunday, there is a chance of a shower, but right now it looks very slim. And we'll have an updated forecast for you, obviously, as we head towards the holiday. And if you're wondering about Indianapolis, if you're traveling over there for the Final Four, I think they'll be fine until that front gets in there sometime Saturday evening. So between now and Saturday evening in Indianapolis, look for mild and dry weather out there as well. 7-day forecast. So looking great. Wow days coming up right through Thursday, Friday, dry at 81, dry on Saturday, 80. Here comes that weak front Sunday. It will be cooler, 70. A slight chance of a shower, especially in the morning. Right now, we'll keep Monday dry. That could change, but right now we'll keep it dry. It will be cooler behind the front, 66. And it looks like showers return sometime late Tuesday evening and into the day on Wednesday. Back to the forecast for Wednesday, looking great with plenty of sunshine and highs in the 60s, mild, and actually, in fact, getting even warmer for the rest of the week and into the early part of the weekend. Thanks for clicking on the Weather Blender blog. Remember, you can click on WBOY.com anytime for the latest weather information.